Well, they say this town is dying, but I've seen men come alive when they stop blaming every factory and start learning how to thrive. No more running from the shadows, no more chasing highway smoke. Strength ain't found in leaving, it's in carrying the yoke. So stand up, son, quit talking like a broken man. Dreams don't grow on asphalt, you gotta carve them where you stand. No more backseat rebellion, no more faulting Uncle Sam. If you want a life worth living, build it with your own two hands. Your daddy wasn't perfect, but he fought to pay the bill. Authority ain't bondage, it's a spine behind your will. And loyalty ain't a virtue when the boys drag you down. Choose a brother by his courage, not the gossip of his town. So stand up, son, quit talking like a broken man. Dreams don't grow on asphalt, you gotta carve them where you stand. No more backseat rebellion, no more faulting Uncle Sam. If you want a life worth living, build it with your own two hands. Yeah, the flag still flies for a reason, and the soldier still comes home proud. Don't you paint him with your sorrow, just to stir another crowd. This land ain't some sad promise, it's a wide and roaring door. You can curse it from your bar stool, or rise up and ask for more. So stand up, son, quit talking like a broken man.